With Jeda.ai, you can perform a powerful product market fit analysis using its generative AI workspace. Wondering how? Let's delve in. One method is to type your prompt anywhere on the AI workspace. Then use our analysis/command. Another powerful method is to type your prompt on the AI command bar. Select the Analysis option. You have the option to fine-tune your query. Hit Generate to cast the spell. We have a dedicated option as well. Select Product Market Fit from the Product category on the AI menu. Provide necessary information, then hit Generate. A thoroughly crafted template with content will be at your disposal. Embrace the future of strategic planning and decision-making by signing up to our generative AI workspace, Jeda.ai today.